Alright guys, as you've seen in my previous video, I fixed the radiator, the antifreeze leak that was dripping on top of the throttle position sensor. I haven't changed the throttle position sensor yet after the stuff was dripping on it, but because it's still cutting out, but I don't think that's it. I'll address that issue later, but I'm getting the engine code, which is P0103, and that's the mass airflow sensor. So I want to test that before I replace that or clean that. Make sure that's the problem. See, when it runs, when it starts up, it act like it want to run. And then look at the RPM drop, then it cuts out. And it just keep doing it every time I start it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test that mass airflow sensor, and then we'll go from there. All right. Yeah, guys, I try to get these little pins down in a thing, but it wasn't giving a good reading. But what I did is I metered this. I metered the black is the ground, and the pink is the 12 volt, constant 12 volts, and then the yellow is the that's the idle wire. That's the wire that's supposed to read different voltage before you while you idle up. So I tested the black. It's getting ground and it's getting 12 volts. I just need to see what the wire is reading when the sensor is reading when it idle. See if that's my problem, if it's the sensor or not. Need to be cleaned or replaced or whatever. And try to get these pins up in there, but it wasn't giving a good reading, so I'm gonna splice into this. Since I know these wires reading ground at 12 volts like they're supposed to, I'm gonna splice into this wire, and I'm gonna test this wire and see what it's doing at idle. All right, guys, I'm finna get ready to test it. The voltage on this wire right here, the yellow wire should read between, I believe, 0.4 to 0.8 volts during idle. And then when you rev it up, give it throttle, it's supposed to go anywhere from like, I guess like up 2 or up to 4 volts, 5 volts or something like that. The voltage is supposed to increase. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it's supposed to increase when you give it throttle. Okay, so we'll see if it's working like it should. All right, let me start this car. Yeah, guys, it was hard for me to do both. Hold this camera and test it out, but it was reading like 2.985 volts while I was idling. Then when I hit it, it went up just like to almost like 3.956 or something like that. And then when I unplug it and test it, it's like 0.5.89. So something could be up with the sensor or whatever. But I'm gonna clean it and check it out. Then we're gonna go from there, because it's giving a crazy reading right now. So let me take this off and clean it and see what we get. Got to run to get some mass airflow sensor. I don't have any, so all right, guys. Let it sit for a while. Parked it. Now let's start it up and see everything's straight. Yeah. Engine lights still off. Everything is still good, guys. Everything is still good. No shutting off. Running smooth. So I guess that is that. Blades are running smooth. Now it's time to get the inside cleaned out. Now I feel comfortable about cleaning the inside out now, and because I got it running. So that's one less thing. So I just got to clean the inside out, and then after I clean the inside out, I want to go over the pieces that I'm gonna need, like the missing dash pieces and all that stuff like that. And then I took all the he took all the stuff out, so I gotta wire these door speakers to the radio, and we'll get into all that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, and turn your notifications on. Hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Now I haven't road tested it yet. Start it up. Haven't road tested it yet, but I just let it run. I let it run for about like 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then it's see that? Now it's idle, like right around 500-600. And then see the temperature gauge is able to reach the operating temp. At first I couldn't even get nowhere near up to operating temp before it kept dying out. It wouldn't run, but now it's running steady. So I'm not gonna change anything else. I was gonna look at the distributor cap and change that, but remember, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Don't go making a problem. So I'm gonna drive this around and see what we get, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what I get, and then I'm gonna probably do another video of me test driving and let y'all guys know how everything turned out. But that's the end of this video. It is now running that P0103 code fix. It was the I changed the clogged up air filter, and then I changed the mass airflow system. The guy probably did put a new one in there, but it looks like he sprayed carb cleaner and all that stuff, because it was the hose and stuff was stained real bad. So I'm guessing he probably put a new one in there, then clean the 30 bottle and stuff out without taking everything apart. But that's the end of this video. Catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'm out, guys. P0103 code fix solved is running later.